Welcome to HelloTrade, every market, everywhere. So from this platform, you can be able to access stocks, commodities, ETFs, and crypto globally with up to 10 times leverage for 247. So HelloTrade waitlist is live. So you can position yourself to enjoy a priority by simply providing your email address here and clicking on join waitlist. I'll be leaving your link in the pinned comment of the video and also on the Telegram page, and when you click on it, you find yourself here. It says thank you, coming soon. So their app will soon be ready on iOS and Android. Let's check their Twitter page. So here is the HelloTrade official Twitter page. It's new, right? Created in August. And let's hit the follow button. Let's scroll through. Last month we announced HelloTrade and 50,000 plus of you joined us from around the world, right? So that's how fast the community is growing. So don't wait to be late, right? Jump on it, submit your email address, and that's all. So there you have it, guys. Thanks and do have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.